I stopped working hard and my income skyrocketed. Yeah, I know how that sounds. Total scam, right? That's exactly what I thought. Until I tried this one lazy trick. And within a year, I was making more money than ever before. No 100-hour work weeks, no sleepless nights, no hustle till you drop nonsense. Just one shift in strategy that changed everything. And if you stay with me till the end, I'll reveal exactly how I did it and how you can do it too. Let's get into it. Welcome to Facts About Money 101, where we break down money secrets the rich don't want you to know. Now let me tell you something embarrassing. For years, I did everything right. Worked crazy hours, said yes to every opportunity, took side gigs on top of my full-time job. And guess what? I was still broke. Not only that, I was exhausted. Meanwhile, I saw lazy people making more money than me, people who seemed to barely work at all. I thought, what the hell is going on? And then I figured it out. It all started when I met Dave. Dave was the laziest guy I knew. He woke up at 10 a.m., he played video games for half the day, he barely checked his emails. So you can imagine my shock when I found out that Dave was making $50,000 a month. More than me. Way more. I was busting my ass while this guy was eating cereal in his pajamas and getting paid. I had to know his secret. So one day I straight up asked him, "Dude, how are you making all this money while doing nothing?" He just laughed and said, "I stopped working hard and I started working smart." And then he explained, "Here's the trick. Stop trading time for money." Dave told me, most people work hard for money. Rich people make money work for them. I had heard this before, but I never really got it until Dave broke it down for me. He said, "Look, every dollar you make should either buy you time or make you more money. Instead of grinding at a job that paid him hourly, doing work that needed constant effort, he focused on passive income, money that kept coming in with little work. Automation, setting up systems that worked without him. Delegation, hiring people so he didn't have to do everything himself." That's when it hit me. I wasn't making money. I was earning money. Big difference. Hold on, before I reveal exactly how Dave set this up, let's make a deal. Pause this video for 5 seconds and hit the like button. Go ahead, I'll wait. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done? Awesome. Now subscribe to Facts About Money 101 so you never miss these game-changing money tips. All right, let's keep going. I decided to copy everything Dave did, and here's exactly what I changed. Number 1, I stopped taking one-time payments. Instead of selling one thing one time, I set up subscriptions and recurring revenue. Example, selling a $500 course equals one-time payment. Selling a $50 month membership equals $50 every single month forever. That meant even if I did nothing for a month, I still got paid. Number 2, I automated everything I used to spend hours responding to emails, posting on social media, and doing admin work. Dave, he automated everything. Email sequences, automated. Sales, automated. Payments, automated. At first I thought that sounds complicated, but once I set it up, I was working less and making more. Number 3, I paid people to do my work for me. This one blew my mind. I was used to doing everything myself. Dave, he hired other people to do the work for him. At first I was like, "But won't that cost me money?" And he said, "Dude, it's not about how much it costs, it's about how much time it saves." Turns out paying someone $10 an hour to do something that made me $50 an hour was a no-brainer. At first I thought, this is too good to be true. But after 6 months, here's what happened. My income tripled. I was working less than ever. I made more in a month than I used to in a year. I wasn't chasing money anymore. Money was chasing me. And the craziest part? Anyone can do this. Now I know what you're thinking. Okay, great for you, but how do I do this? Here's where you start. 1, find something you can sell that makes money repeatedly. Subscription, online business, or rental income. 2, automate everything you can. Email sequences, payments, customer service. 3, hire people to do the work for you. Start small. Hire someone for $5 per hour to handle small tasks. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. You just need to stop trading time for money. Now, let's hear it from you. Do you think this trick actually works? Comment scam or genius. Hit the like button if this blew your mind. And don't forget to subscribe to Facts About Money 101 for more life-changing money secrets. Your first step to making more while working less starts right now.